What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and I'm out here in Titusville. You know, we're missing somebody. I won't mention that person's name because they're not here, but we've got a lot of great people. Tell them who you are and what you were doing here.
I'm out here from Polk City, enjoying life.
Oh, yeah. Living the dream, right?
Living the dream.
That's what I'm talking about. And what are we carrying today?
We're carrying a 380.
Looks like a Beretta?
Molina.
Molina? All right. No, they're good. I think it's Italian, right?
Yeah, Italian made.
Yes, sir. What's going on? What's your name?
Barry Hightower.
Hightower.
Melbourne.
We got Hightower. You know, little different color, but if you remember Hightower from Police Academy. Yeah?
That's my brother.
Oh, shit. It's his cousin, second cousin, brother-in-law's nephew, or something to that effect, but he's out here showing the support for the Second Amendment and all of us out here, and I appreciate it, and thank you for being here. And we've got turkey dinner coming real soon. We're going to get back to this. Oh, who's next? Who's next? What's your name? What's your name?
Wright's Crispy.
Wright's Crispy.
Finn.
We're gonna edit that part out. But we've got Wright's Crispy here. He's hanging out. What are you carrying today?
This is a Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Sport. The military and police. 5.56, not a 223, but it also fires 223.
Yeah.
I love this thing.
It's a good thing because I'm carrying the smaller version, just a little bit smaller. I stick mine in my pocket though. But we got Wright's Crispy out here. He's hanging out. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this guy's channel.
Thank you.
He's an amazing First Amendment honor. He's on, what's the name of that group?
Bang!
Bang!
Bolt Action News Group.
Activism News Network.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Activism News Network on Roku.
Make sure you get on Roku. Go to activismnewsnetwork.com, and that way you can see us on your big screen TV at home at your leisure. Forget about the mainstream media. Get on Activism News Network now because that's the real news.
That's right.
Bringing it to you live every day. So, and now forget it. No. Now. Who we got here now? Laura. And what are you carrying today, Laura?
Glock 19.
Glock 19, right?
Yep.
The Glock 19. It's a trusty and very impressive firearm. I've got the Glock 23, which is just the upgraded version of your 9mm.
Mine's better though.
Only because she carries more rounds than I do. But mine is just a little bit bigger. But other than that, are you enjoying your time here?
I'm having a blast today.
That's all that matters. We're out here just expressing our rights and having a good time. We're about to eat our turkey dinner here in just a minute. And then we're going to get over here to a great friend of mine, Gary Pixley. And if you don't know this guy, he's the one that's been donating all the flashlights, all the flags, all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to Gary Pixley. I'll leave a link in the description below. But what are you carrying today?
Bear Creek Arsenal 300 Blackout.
Oh man, look at that 300 Blackout. Look at that. Bear Creek Arsenal. And then this is his smaller cousin, the 5.56.
And I've also got the Springfield XGE 9.
Look at that. Look. Uh-oh. Careful. This is an emotional support pistol. Do not pet.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Careful. You have to be careful not to pet your support system. But other than that, me and Gary, we're all hanging out. We're about to get some lunch here or early dinner.
Yep.
We've got
Rambo Rob.
Look at Rambo Rob
Carrying a fishing pole.
Look, fishing pole, everybody.
Yeah. It's.
Oh, look, we got another catfish. He caught. Whoa! He caught the cat.
That's all we catch.
Look, man.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
That's all we catch, man. That's all there is to catch.
What are we carrying today, man? That thing's
It's
looking
the,
really nice.
GP Waster 10 from Romania.
Romania.
Yeah, Romanian AK.
Dude, I'm going to let you know, man. I really wanted one of those, man. The 7.62 by 39. Yeah. I was really wanting one.
The wear on it. Look at that.
Yeah, it just looks like it's been used and abused and seen a lot of action.
Not
No,
really.
no.
Not really.
Looks like it. Yeah.
Mine neither. I haven't seen a lot of action, but just in case, something could happen. Uh-oh, we got a fish. We got a fish. Oh, Rambo Rob. Rambo Rob, he's got the rod, man.
Another cat.
Oh! Oh! Osprey!
Cat.
Oh! Oh! Osprey!
He almost got it. He almost got it. Oh, look how I got it. What on earth is going on?
Oh, look at this. He caught him by the butt.
How
He
is that?
snagged the fish by
How
the
on
butt.
earth? That's why he couldn't get it. Now that's something right there. Holy moly. You believe that? Anybody got some pliers?
Today, what are you carrying?
I've got a M&P 40 compact, but I have an extension on the handle here. Let me go ahead and pull this thing here
You can let it shine today.
Yep, yep.
Look at that thing.
Got an extension on the handle to make it a full-size M&P.
Oh yeah, nice, nice.
So, yep.
Oh yeah. Well, we have Dr. Sean Berry. He's hanging out with us, and we were out here fishing, and we're gonna continue to do a little fishing and eat some turkey dinner. And Mr. Sean Berry's gonna hang out and do what he's got to do for the day.
Yeah, I'm getting, like I said, I'm getting a little bit old here, and I got a little bit dry to get back to the house. But you know, I enjoyed coming out here today and see everybody express their rights. You know, Mr. Mike here, open fisherman, open carry fisherman. That's your channel, right?
Oh yeah, armed fisherman. Yeah, I've got too many channels. Too many.
Armed fisherman, yeah. But anyway, he's a family man. He works full time, and he's also coming out here to express his rights. So you know, it's a full time job all the way around. But you know, he's a true patriot, and he's you know, helping us all become freer people.
Oh yeah, never stops, man. Never stops.
Yeah.
Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button.
Thank you very much. You have a great day.
Later, man.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir. Have a good one, brother.
You little monkey.
She's just running around. She's just having a fun time. Are you gonna throw it in the water? You gonna throw it in the waters? Throw it in the waters? Good job. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Yeah. We're just a bunch of Americans just expressing our rights today. Yeah. While you're engaged in fishing, hunting, or camping, it is lawful for us to do this. And we're yeah. Yeah.
Can see your reel from here. The lines in there, yeah. So everything's good. We're all safe.
Yeah. And we're out here
Just
expressing.
went by, only saw one or two, then 3 or 6 more guns, and I thought,
What's going on today, right?
Well, we're happy.
what's going on today?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the word.
God bless America right there.
You're an organized group. I ask you this, two things. I'm a local resident,
Uh-huh.
and I'm retired cop from New York.
Okay.
So, I mean, you know, guns are not that big a deal to me, but I haven't seen this many guns in one place.
Welcome.
I
Welcome.
was comfortable to walk up and talk to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we appreciate
That's the great thing about, you know, law-abiding citizens is that we're not out there to hurt nobody, you know.
I just didn't understand what it was. That's all.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, what we want.
No, we want you to understand, and that's half of it is education. Is
Now, what's the name of your group, if any?
We don't really have a group.
yeah, we're just we all
friends.
believe in the same thing, and
Well, how'd you know each other?
from the
That guy's got a big beard, you got a little one, he's got, you know, so you don't have a lot of
the one thing that's common
is that.
is this. We all draw each other to each other, you know. And at the end of the day, we all got to stick together as gun owners.
We want open carry to be legal in Florida.
Yeah.
Right now, it's only legal if you're fishing, hunting, camping, or going to a
Yeah.
ranch. And so that's what our end goal is. But who knows if that'll happen?
Yeah, and who knows what?
Open carry is, you know, we can talk about that for an hour and a half, I bet you.
Yeah.
I mean, I prefer
I
open
carry
carry.
most of the time, but right now I just decided to take a ride by the time it's out.
No, it's,
I don't have it. 90% chance I got it.
Yeah.
I prefer to open carry, but the law in Florida doesn't let me. I have a permit, and I have to conceal it. I don't like that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I get a carry permit.
If we weren't fishing right now, or part of one of the exempted activities, it would be a misdemeanor arrest.
Yeah.
So you're carrying with a legal gun with
Come here. Hey. Come here.
Well, it could be because they have a thing called brief exposure, and it's up to the cop to determine if it's brief or not. But even with a permit, you can't open carry. They'll arrest you.
Yeah. Yeah. Florida's one of about 5 states that still doesn't allow open carry. So.
New York don't allow.
Yeah. New York, yeah. They got some really heavy restrictions there.
Where are you from in New York? I was born in Queens in Rockaway.
Yeah.
Where are you from about? The city?
Born in East Rockaway Hospital.
Rockaway, huh?
Rockaway
That's
Hospital.
where I'm from.
Howard Beach, born and raised.
Howard
Oh,
Beach,
nice.
really? Wow.
Nice.
Wow, we came from pretty much.
Lake Ronkonkoma.
Right next door to each other, right?
Heard of Lake Ronkonkoma?
No.
Out on Long Island?
I moved away, my family moved away from New York when I was about 8 years old. So I lived in Florida.
Well, I was there then, but yeah, I can understand you wouldn't remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lived on 99th Street in Rockaway Beach, not far Rockaway. That's where
I think I was on 98th Street.
that was my old stomping grounds, 99th Street. I committed more felonies
Oceana, where you going?
in Rockaway than I ever did in my life. And if I would have ended up staying in New York, I wouldn't be the man I am today.
But yeah.
I did. I was there for until about 25 years ago. I retired.
Is that your motorcycle, Oceana?
Whose is this? Yours or mine?
This is me.
You want to sit on here?
She walks up, put her hand on it. Like,
She's like, oh, wait a minute. Come on. You want to get on the bikes? Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. It's okay.
she walked up and leaned on it. Like
Yeah, she was okay with it.
She didn't have a cleaning rag in her hand, so I thought she wanted to.
She leaned right on it.
We do wow. Yeah, if you want to hang around, man, we're about to have Thanksgiving dinner here in a few minutes. We're
I gotta go.
We got a couple turkeys in the smoker.
yeah, we got turkeys, mashed
Oh, yeah.
potatoes, green beans,
I appreciate
gravy.
your offer.
Yeah.
Hey. Thank you.
From New York, you know, I didn't know. Oh, okay.
I recently got divorced.
We're live.
Hey,
We're live now.
All right, all women in Melbourne area. I'm available now.
We are live.
James Madison Audits. And I'm Rights Crispy here.
I belong to. We have an admirer.
Oh, we do. Camback. Boom. Shout out to the Resistance. Howdy. Hey, we're doing a Second Amendment event. What we're doing is exercising our right, because in the state of Florida we're allowed to open carry during hunting, fishing, and camping, as long as it's legal.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and we're live right now. Do you want to shout out anybody? Oh, you with us? This is America. I see that shirt, USA.
Yeah, but you know, carrying a gun and stuff like that—that's kind of crazy.
Well, no, we're actually.
They can do whatever they want, right? You know?
Well, we're very sane, and we're actually expressing our right as a well-regulated militia. We're not just a bunch of dummies doing the wrong thing out here. We're doing it right.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
This is for you, too.
You too.
Here's a little passive aggression.
They turned around and left. Stingray.
Oh, did they? Ah, they know better. The cops showed up.
Hey, no, come back.
Please, we want to educate you.
We want to teach you something about the Second Amendment today.
Let the star shine.
Don't leave.
Don't melt like a snowflake.
Hey, don't you want to be on YouTube? So how is this, Travis? Good stuff?
Very good. Excellent.
Oh, man. Good stuff.
That was delicious. First time I had smoked turkey. Awesome. Delicious.
How is everything, everybody? Everything good?
It's great, man. Good job.
Look. It can't be that bad if it's an empty plate.
Cleaning the plate.
That's what I'm talking about.
So good.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget,
Awesome.
hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff.
Turkey time.
How you doing over here, man? You're not eating all your green beans.
No, I'm eating them.
No, you're not.
I'm just walking around. I
No,
gotta
you're
put
not.
this back. The crows are
Dude,
eating
it doesn't look like you're eating
The
them.
crows
It looks
are
like
eating
it looks like you got all your green beans still on your plate. Everything else but the green beans.
No,